why do you think a number of Indians are moving outside the country to places like Canada or Australia or New Zealand?
I think their job opportunities is very high, so that's why it's my some friends goes to Canada for a purpose of job and placements high.
For the international exposure, and he or she get a lot of money there.
Okay.
That's all.
That's
It's
okay.
just the trends that Indians had set up to move out. Nothing else.
You think it's just a trend?
Yeah.
There are a lot
Because
of
that-
reasons for this.
Uh-huh.
We Indians love to explore things, so exploration might be a reason.
Exploration isn't the main reason. The main reason is that money part.
Uh-huh.
So that is the main reason. That's why they
Okay.
the employment is
Very low.
the lifestyle that they are getting that outside from the country. It is far much that
Far
good,
better than
far
our-
better than our India. But our India is also developing. So
Okay.
after 5 to 10.
We cannot underestimate India. India is also good.
Okay.
India is good.
I think the main reason is that they want to explore different kind of culture and different kind of opportunity they want to explore, and in order to get the best out of their resources. So this could be the major reason that why most of the Indians are leaving their country. But I think the number are very quite less. There should be, I think as far as I can think of that, there could be only fraction of the population which are leaving the country. And that too, I won't say that they are leaving, they are just exploring the various opportunities for which they are bound to.
So I think basically the reason behind that is they get best opportunity for jobs and money also. So that's why they all are moving from India to abroad.
I'll say it's just for show, for like FOMO-based thing, like to go out and study well.
And I know some people who are regretting when they go to outside of country. They are regretting. My friend is regretting that he gone.
The
Okay.
lifestyle is far much better than.
Okay. So you are saying the reason they are moving outside the country is because they are in search of a better lifestyle. Yeah?
Yeah.
What about you, bro?
According to me, as you all know, that most of the students who are going to Canada are on a student visa. So basically, the why Indian students are living in India and joining the for abroad educational institutes, the reason is behind that there are much more opportunities, or they are going there for exploring themselves for in a different courses. As in India, there are some courses which are not available here, like in their particular field. I think there may be courses that they if they want to prefer their courses, that's why I think they are going there.
Okay.
Or second
okay.
thing, as when a student in Canada, he can earn his tuition fee by working there in local works. So
Yeah.
that's why this is the second reason, because when a student works here for their additional fees, you can't get so much proper earnings from here. So that's why Canada is a main reason why Indian students are joining there, because
okay.
there is a two reason. They can explore their main course there, and they can earn their fees from that.
For more money or easy success maybe.
Yeah.
That's why.
Okay. And do you think there's a solution to limit the numbers of like Indians moving outside the country?
Yes, there is. If any student want to study, we should let him study in other country. But after the study completion, we should make a policy like that. He should serve at least 1 or 2 years in the country.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow, that's a good one.
I guess there should be more policies that entertain students to stay over here instead of going out.
We gave them better offers than other countries.
Oh, yeah.
Give them more scholarships in our country.
Oh, yeah.
I think there is India is a diverse country, as you know.
It is.
So there is so many jobs and placements, but people are not actually owning them. Like so, government have to
yeah.
make some policies to take initiatives for the youngsters or for employment.
Yeah, government are doing so many efforts in this that they are providing so much courses. Like previously, there are limited number of courses, but when you look about a few decades, last decade, there are lots of courses that are generating every year. Like you see, when there are previously only IT degrees there in India, but now in a 5 to 10 years, you can basically take 10 years. CC is coming here in a very big large number. That's why there are so many adverse number of cases that are Indian government are providing in Indian institutes. That's why I think this will work in one more decade.
I guess promote startups. It could be like it can provide more employment.
I think that
it depends actually that whether we want to limit the seats or not, because the limitation of seat arises from the area of concerns, and I can even say that you can draw the reference from yourself only, that you are coming to a country and having a good education and education means and fulfilling those things. So I would like to say this much only, that it depends and it varies from the person to person, that what they want to, that what they actually want. So thank you.
For the exposure, education, mainly money.
Okay. So do you think that is a good thing or it's a bad thing for the country? Like that people are moving outside the country to build somewhere else?
It's a bad thing in my way, because the cream of the country is going somewhere and they are developing that country. We should focus on our nation first.
Bad thing, because in India there is lot of things, jobs, it's enough for us, but it's people mindset that
They
will
should
go
move out
yes.
and go six.
The youth has forgotten to explore the, the country with most of the cultures.
Okay, so they're now going outside the country for
Yeah.
some.
Not actually, like if he or she wants to go abroad, she can opt for that, but not completely like someone go there and just settle there.
Okay.
That is not good thing.
Definitely a bad thing for like I don't know.
Yeah, I
It's
feel you.
bad.
It's a bad thing. To answer it from the nation point of view, right?
Yeah,
Not
that's
our
true.
point of view.
What's your point of view?
My point is, okay, it's their choice, so it's
Okay.
okay to move outside.
We have to focus first on our country and then we should go abroad and develop and help in developing that country. So I think we should first develop our country.
Okay.
We are not saying that India is not better, but
Like,
they're finding
for them it's monotonous here, so they went there, I think so.
Okay.
Like if we give them a better salary, if we reduce the unemployability, so we can do that.
There is money.
It's money.
If you notice the Canadian dollars, they have 60 or 70 rupees per dollar.
So we should give them more opportunity of jobs, and we should like start awareness program for all the students who are moving outside the country to do first something better and innovative in our own country,
Yes,
rather than moving to another country or abroad.
It's all depend on the person, so they find that lifestyle better, and we have a huge population, so they want employment also.
as you say that there is a diversity in our culture and there is a diversity in our thinking. Some people think that moving outside is better than staying in India. Yeah, according to you, the India is better. According to them, any other country is better. That's why. That depends upon their thinking, right?
Alright.
They might get better opportunities there, so that's
that's true.
upon that person only.
It's by choice.
We can't.
Okay. Yes,
And
something
there
to
is a
say?
lot of population here, so if some people are moving outside, then it's good for India.
Oh, yeah.
Like, it's okay.
Okay.
It's good for
Yes,
us.
something to say?
If we I think then if people move from one place to another, like from India, I think the competition will also less. Like there's a lot of opportunities in India, but if they are moving, then we will get the opportunity here. So it's
that's
okay
true.
if they are
That's
moving.
true.
People go outside and contribute to their GDP instead of ours,
Yeah.
providing more jobs and more money, improve educational infrastructure वगैरह, or I think nothing.
So I
Okay.
think that money is the only reason why people are moving from one. If you have lots of money, then you will live
It
a
could be money.
good
It
life.
could be money and other things. Like there could be different reasons, like money and other things.
But I want to say that your choice is right to come to India.
Okay.
It's a great place.
You will explore our culture, you will explore our food, and you will have a lot of fun here.
Okay.
Lot of
Okay.
diversity.
Yeah.
Tell
Okay.
me one thing: how you found India?
India. It's good. It's a normal country. It's very diverse.
So
There's different
your
types of
favorite
cultures. I
place,
know that.
Any favorite place you've been to?
Manali. I really like
Yeah,
Manali.
it's really
Manali is really nice. Yeah, I haven't really explored like in many places, but Manali is
Went to
pretty
Delhi?
nice. Delhi, yes, I've been to Delhi. The food in Delhi is amazing.
Street in
Yeah,
What's your favorite food?
rabri. Rabri. Yes, I have. It's also it's also it's also pretty nice.